Digestive and excretory system. In this topic, we will learn about the human digestive and excretory system. The process of converting complex food into simple forms, which can be used by the body, is called digestion. This is done with the help of the digestive system. The human digestive system consists of the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, liver, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, and the anus. The food from the mouth passes through the esophagus and reaches the stomach, which is a pear-shaped muscular bag. It contains gastric juice. Here, the food is partially digested, and then it reaches the duodenum. The duodenum is the first part of the small intestine which connects it to the stomach. Here, the food mixes with the juices secreted by the liver and pancreas and reaches the small intestine. The process of digestion is completed here. The digested food is absorbed by the body, and the undigested food is passed into the large intestine, from where it passes out through the anus. Next system we will study is the excretory system. It helps to eliminate waste materials from the body. It lies just behind the digestive system and consists of a pair of bean-shaped kidneys which lie on either side of the backbone. The waste material along with the blood enters the kidney. Here, kidneys absorb the waste material and clean the blood. This waste substance along with the water is collected in the urinary bladder. This waste dissolved in water is called urine. It passes through the urethra. In a recap, we can see that the human digestive system consists of the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, liver, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. And the excretory system consists of the kidneys, urinary bladder, and the urethra.